In this lecture, I will introduce to you an excellent toolkit that can be used for compromising Android device and mobile device. In my previous course, Ethical Hacking from Scratch to Advanced Techniques, I explained this tool and I used the tool targeting Windows machine. I'm going to reuse the tool this section, but for targeting Android devices. Now, what I'm going to do in this lecture and the upcoming lecture is first to show you the tool, let you get familiar with it. And then, most probably, when you're going to start using this tool in Kali Linux, you will find some challenge. It will not be working probably by default. So on the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to fix any problems that you may face. And then I'm going to start showing attack using the social engineering toolkit. So let me first show you the tools. This is actually an excellent tools. It has different version. I mean, it has a version that run under Windows, but I wouldn't recommend it because, you know, it's not that effective. I will recommend to use the Linux one, especially the Kali Linux one. So let me open the terminal and type set toolkit, and it will run the tool. But what happens is the problems that you may face that this tool keep getting updated. So most probably you will find a version here that is not the latest one. So you need to go to the website for the people who created this tool and install the latest one and then install it in your Linux machine. It's quite easy. It's very, very easy. But anyway, as you can see, you have different options here, but you should start by updating the set configuration and updating the social engineering toolkit. So once you finish updating, you can start the tools, which is social engineering toolkit number 1. And as you can see, it do a lot of attacks. It can spear phishing, it can website attacks, it can create malicious code, it can create spoofed SMS. It's an amazing tool. You need a full course to understand the tools. We're going to take some attacks, but I will suggest that you go through the remaining of the attacks and try them. It's a very, very powerful tool, as you can see later on this lecture. So this is how the tool look like, and it's very interacting tool. I mean, you don't have to memorize code. You just need to select options. So for instance, I'm going to choose the number 2, website attack. So you choose number 2. He will give you everything under number 2, which sub attack you need: Java applet attack, Metasploit browser attack, credential harvest, and so on. So if you choose, for instance, credential harvest, which is the first attack we're going to take after those lectures, you're going to say, okay, you need to create a fake website. Do you need a template, one of the well-known website, or you need to copy a site that you choose, like, you know, any public website or any other website that is not in the template. If you need to have a clone or a copy of that, you can choose number 2, and so on. But as I told you, most probably when you use the out-of-the-box set toolkit, it will not be running. You may face error message, or you may you will not be able to continue an attack. So sometimes you go to the attack and it keep getting to the main menu one more time. So on the next lecture, which I believe it's very, very important, I'm going to show you how to fix the social engineering toolkit when you start using it, so you will not face any kind of problem. So next lecture is very, very important. I'm going to show you how to download the latest version from their website, and then how to use that to solve all the problems that is in the out-of-the-box social engineering toolkit.